Chair, and let me begin by thanking you for being here and thanking those who have joined us on virtually for your testimony. Let me just say that your presence here, that your presence virtually, that your advocacy brings a human touch to ALS, to Huntington, and that's extremely important. I echo the remarks of my colleague, Representative Guthrie, when I say that it is important for you to be here. It is important for us to understand. As Chairwoman Eskew said, I'm a pharmacist, and I practiced pharmacy for over 32 years. And I will tell you that through research and development, I've witnessed nothing short of miracles in the way of medicine. And it's been extremely important that I continue to encourage companies and the United States government, the federal government, to invest in research and development because, as I say, I've witnessed nothing short of miracles in the years that I've practiced pharmacy. And it is extremely important. It gives hope. It gives hope to all of us. It gives it to you. So please understand that I support you. Dr. Esham, I want to ask you, in your written testimony, you suggest that investment in therapies and cures for chronic diseases have been in decline or is low relative to the rate of disease in patients. You even report that funding for Alzheimer's therapy was 16 times lower than oncology funding, despite estimates that the disease will impact 13.8 million Americans by 2050 and cost $1 trillion annually. My colleagues across the aisle have worked to pass legislation in H.R. 3 that would upend investment in new cures due to revenue reductions from their proposed international pricing index. And the Council on Economic Advisors estimates that legislation would stop over 100 new drugs from coming to market over the next decade. Obviously, we all want to decrease prescription prices. No one more than I do, having been on the other side of the aisle and on the prescription aisle. This has been one of my primary focuses since I've been a member of Congress. But I just don't think that this is the approach we should be using. And I want to ask you, Dr. Esham, are you concerned that such revenue reductions as I described here would further limit new research into therapies and cures for ALS and other neurological diseases?
Yes, I think that's a fair statement. I mean, as you point out, and as my testimony points out, it is a difficult endeavor, fraught with failure and heavily rely on venture and public market investment. We are committed to working with Congress on policies to help remove or alleviate fiscal burdens to patients, but sweeping policies that create more uncertainties relating to the ability to get returns on investment for the less than 1% of the programs that actually make it to the market will unquestionably have a negative effect on future investment and impact future innovation.
And as you say, these are risky investments that these companies are making. We all understand that. Listen, I've seen drugs get all the way up to the final stage of development and then have to be pulled. And companies understand this. Look, I'm not trying to give the pharmaceutical manufacturers a free pass here. They need to do a better job with prescription pricing. But at the same time, they do play an important role, extremely important role in research and development, what they invest in that. And that's something that we have to continue to encourage. Dr. Esham, you also discussed in your testimony that the first ever disease-modifying ALS drug moved beyond phase 3 clinical trials for the first time ever this year. But unfortunately, 87 programs were suspended over the past decade. What do you attribute this long-term lack of success to, and what are the biggest barriers that we face in getting drugs to treat neurological disease approved?
Sure, and that's a complex answer, but I'll try to just hit the highlights. Again, Alzheimer's is a complex disease, and as I pointed out, there over 24 genes that we've identified now associated with Alzheimer's. I will say a lot of the failures in Alzheimer's that is different than the generality across diseases have a lot of failures in phase 1, where you're really doing like early safety studies. They're pretty much on par with during phase 2 in terms of transitioning from phase 2 and initial efficacy and safety studies to phase 3. But phase 3 has been the real brick wall. And so this is a really exciting time to see the first disease-modifying program get approved. And again, when you think about what accelerated approval did for cancer, it will allow us to gain further understandings, and we do think it will have a positive impact on investment. But there are other pathways, as I mentioned in my testimony, that are in the pipeline that we also have hold great promise.
Right. But research and development is extremely important. And again, I want to thank you for being here, and I want to thank those who are participating virtually for being here. You bring a face, you bring a voice to what otherwise is just a disease, but it's real, and it impacts real people. And we must commit to continuing research and development to come up with cures. Thank you, Madam Chair, and I yield back.